Okay, I use a GoPro 12 and I've been running it on Superview for all my videos, and I tried Hyperview in this last video, and there's a big difference. I guess Hyperview looks faster and Superview doesn't flatten the terrain as much. Okay, so I'm going to show you Superview versus Hyperview. Weigh in on the comments. Let me know which one you like, Superview or Hyperview. And I'll make my next video with whatever you guys say. All right, thanks. Like, subscribe. Thanks.